Hello, everybody. I'm here again today. Um, this is our warehouse here. So let me show you around, like I did yesterday. Actually, what I want to talk about today is the Cisco switch you can use if you need like a Cisco switch that can power more devices. The Cisco switch you can use to that. So that's what I want to tell you. I'm going to show you the models, and so that's it. So I'm going to show you right now. Okay, let's start. You can look at this switch here. Look at this model of switch here. This one is 1 minute. This model of switch, this is 3750X. If you actually want the machine that can power more devices, you can actually use the switch. And this switch has option at the back, option of let me show you. You can look at the back. You can see it has a two power slot at the back here. This is called a redundant power supply. Actually, the work of this two power supply here, it has a slot for two power supply at the back here. You can see it. This you can use only one power supply. You can use this one as well, the second power supply. So the function of this switch, this two power supply, is what we call redundant power supply. You can be using two power supply if there's a problem and one has problem. You can continue with the other one without interrupting the system, the networking system. That's the reason for this two space for power supply, this and this. So 1 minute. So this switch here, if you need Cisco switch to power more devices, you can go in for this. We have other ones. I'm gonna still show you other ones. This model of switch, this one is 3750X. If you need full power, full P output, you use this model of power supply. It has two options, two uses. This switch, one power supply can die, and this will still maintain the power. One of the powers of the two power slots can still maintain it. It will not interrupt any networking problem at all. So you can easily remove one and replace it again, like I showed you. This switch you're looking at here, is a full PoE. It gives out full PoE. This model of switch, this switch I'm talking about here, and it's cheaper. We still have more expensive ones, other options again. So let me show you another model that can give you full power output. This switch here, let me show you. This switch here is okay, this one is non-PoE. Okay, let me show you PoE. So okay, right here. So this one is for PoE. if you actually need a switch that can power more devices, you can also go for it, but this one is more expensive than the first one I showed you. Let me show you something at the back. So the model of the switch here is 3850X, 3850, not X, sorry. You can look at the back. It has a 2 power slots at the back, you can see. And the purpose of this 2 power slots is what we call the redundant function. What is redundant function? Redundant function is when the 2 power supply are there and you plug the 2 power supply and one has problem, the other one that don't have problem will continue with it. It will not disturb the networking system at all, and you can easily replace this one as well. So that's it. So that's the purpose for this 2 power supply at the back. So anytime you want to, like, you have one switches that can serve more devices, then you can use this model of switch. This one here, this is a 3850, but this one is more expensive than the first one I showed you. So that's it. And I want to show you again, and all these switches I'm showing you here, all of them are for sale. In case of if you need any Cisco switch, we deal in Cisco switches. You can see a lot of them here. You can see we have a whole lot of different models, and all these switches are original Cisco switches. These switches are original Cisco switches. So if you need Cisco switches, this is Charger UAE, United Arab Emirates. You can drop your comment below, we can talk. So to show you another one again, there's another one, this model, this model here, this model you're looking at right now. If you need full power output, this model can serve this this model, this one you're looking at right now, can serve. This is E series. This is E series. You can look at it. Sorry for the camera is not up to it. This one is non-PoE. I will still show you PoE. So, but this model of this switch, this model E series can help you. You can utilize these ports. If you're using PoE, it can power more devices. This one you're looking at right now, it can power more devices. In case of if you need Cisco switches that can power more devices, like 40 devices, 30 something devices, one Cisco switch, these models I'll show you now can do the work. This one can do the work, this one can do the work. This model of switch, let me show you the model. 1 minute, this one, 3750X. So thank you for today. I want to rush somewhere. I'm going somewhere right now. Tomorrow we'll continue. Thank you. See you on the next one.